Hello everyone. Let's match objects to its sound. Today's letter is K. K makes the K sound. And we're going to find all the things that begins with a K sound. The second letter is L. L makes the L sound. And we're going to find all the things that begins with L. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter K. Letter K makes the K sound. Now we're going to find all the things that begins with a K sound. Kite. Kitten. Kettle. King. Key. Kid. Koala. Ketchup. Kangaroo. Kike. Kiwi. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. We found all the things that begins with a K sound. Great work. Well done. Fantastic. Letter L. Letter L makes the L sound. Now let's find all the things that begins with a L sound. Lemon. Leaf. Light bulb. Lion. Lamp. Ladybird. Lock. Lighthouse. Log. Ladder. Leg. Well done, everyone. Fantastic job. We found all the things that begins with a L sound. Great work. Well done, everyone. Hello parents, please visit my Etsy store where you will find money resources that you can download and help your child with their early reading, writing and math skills. I will leave a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.